Meaning of interest.
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 Interest. Interest can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to a feeling of curiosity or concern about something or someone. For example, you may have an interest in a particular hobby or subject, or you may have an interest in getting to know someone better. It can also refer to the amount of money that is paid for borrowing or lending money, which is called interest rate. Additionally, interest can be used to describe the stake or ownership that someone has in a particular business or property.